Wagwan. What's good? What's popping? It's back again, Kemar's kitchen. Today I'm gonna do a quick dish, which is cod Mornay. So I got 2 cod fillets here. I got some grated cheese, 200 grams of fresh double cream, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and some fresh parsley. And over there I got some cut up mushroom and some mixed vegetable along with broccoli, cauliflower, and more carrots and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. The fish is already seasoned already with salt, bit of vinegar, bit of lime juice, and some paprika, and all these mix it. So this is the other phase to show you. At the moment I'm going to make my sauce for the cod Mornay. So got the fresh double cream there boiling up. I'm going to just add my turmeric inside. Stir it around. I'm going to just make that just go and simmer down and just go and stir it. That's it, not to burn. The cream no burn or it stick until it becomes thick. And then I'm going to take it off the stove and prepare my fish with it. Okay. Yeah. You can see it's bubbling up. Mushroom is roasted already. The cod fillet is finished. So I'm going to put the mushroom at the bottom of the bowl. So that's the mushroom at the bottom. Put the cod right on top of it. Normally I either fold the cod and just make it more better, but eat this way. I'm putting in a smaller bowl. So what I'm going to do, add some sauce over that. Got the sauce. Sprinkle some cheese, grated cheese. You're going to put it in the oven or under the grill, make it just brown up. So you see the finishing. Yes, viewers, subscribers, as you can see, that's a cod Mornay there. Just take it out underneath the grill. You can whack it in the oven or you can put it underneath the grill. I put mine under the grill. Yeah, so as you can see there, the cod Mornay with the mushroom underneath and the double cream. Also with cheese baked on top. Yeah, so I'm going to put a bit of side vegetable with corn, beans, carrots, all sorts. So I'm gonna set it up nicely for you guys now to see the last finishing touch of it. So stay tuned. Yeah, but over here, so over this, so yeah, so in there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The cod Mornay is finished. As what I said before, you get a double cream, fresh double cream, 200 ml fresh double cream. Get some grated cheese, also some turmeric, and just shred up some spring onions to finish it on top. So remember guys, the mushroom is underneath the fish and the double cream sauce with the turmeric, yeah. And I just put the cheese on top, put it in the oven or put it underneath the grill if you have a grill, and then just make it melt on top. And over there I just have a little side vegetable to go with it. Nothing too filling to go in the stomach in this evening, just a light dish. Sometimes you don't want to eat too heavy, you just eat something light. So this now will do me for the day, just like that. So for the like on the see, just like, share, subscribe. Most important thing, notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend, invite them over. Tell them it's Kemar's Kitchen and life with the Wallaces. So you don't know, check me on each and every week. We have all videos, vloggings, all sorts. Have a blessed day. One, love, peace, unity. Out.
Yeah.